When tax season arrives, one of the biggest challenges for businesses, accountants, and contractors is managing the 1099 filing process, especially with increasingly strict IRS requirements. Whether you're sending forms to freelancers, vendors, or service providers, accuracy, timeliness, and compliance are critical. Tax 1099 simplifies this process. As an IRS authorized e-file providers, it allows you to file 1099 NEC, 1099 MISC, 1098s, and many more, all from a cloud-based dashboard. The platform is built for individuals, accounting firms, and enterprise teams who want to eliminate paperwork and move to a secure, digital-first filing solution. In this video, we'll navigate the key features that save time and reduce risk, and explain why Tax 1099 is one of the most reliable solutions for electronic information returns today. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the guided 1099 form creation and filing. 1099 makes filing straightforward, even for beginners. You can manually enter payee information, upload from a spreadsheet, or import records from tools like QuickBooks Online, Xero, or Zoho Books. As you walk through the steps, the system automatically checks for formatting issues and missing data. This reduces the learning curve dramatically. Even if you've never filed electronically before, Tax 99 guides you through the process and ensures your submission is complete and compliant before you hit file. Another key feature is the bulk uploads and API automation. For companies with hundreds or even thousands of forms, Tax 1099 supports mass uploads through Excel templates and offers API access for full automation. You can push data directly from your accounting system or ERP, saving time and increasing consistency. This is a huge time saver for CPAs and large teams managing multiple clients. You don't have to manually retype entries or worry about inconsistent data. Tax 1099 handles large volumes effortlessly. Another key feature is the real-time TIN matching and error checks. One of the platform's most valuable features is real-time TIN, or TIN, or taxpayer identification number matching, which compares your entries against IRS records before submission. It also checks for common errors like invalid addresses, form mismatches, and duplicate entries. TIN mismatches are one of the most common reasons filings get rejected. Tax 1099's verification tools prevent these issues upfront, helping you avoid costly penalties or delays in IRS acceptance. Another key feature is the automated recipient distribution. After submitting forms to the IRS and state agencies, you're still required to send copies to recipients. Tax 1099 handles this automatically via secure email, download links, or postal mail. You can choose to let the platform manage delivery based on your preferences or recipient consent. No more printing, stuffing envelopes, or managing delivery logistics. This saves days of admin time and ensures everyone receives their forms on time with delivery confirmation built in. Another key feature is the compliance dashboard and secure archiving. Tax 1099 keeps detailed records of every action in your account, from form creation to submission and delivery. You can pull reports at any time, manage user access, and retain historical forms securely for multiple years. Whether you're facing an audit or just need to review past filings, everything is neatly stored and accessible in one place. No need to dig through folders or recreate records. So why is 1099 or Tax 1099 a great choice? In 2025, Tax 1099 continues to stand out because of its adaptability, compliance features, and automation tools. It's a strong choice for individuals filing just a few forms, but it's equally powerful for high volume filers, accountants, and HR teams handling hundreds of submissions. It supports over 40 different form types and remains fully compliant with the latest IRS and state level changes. Plus, with integrations to top platforms like QuickBooks, Bill.com, Xero, Zoho Books, and more, it fits smoothly into your workflow. Security is another key strength. Tax 1099 is SOC 2 compliant, offers two-factor authentication, role-based access for teams, and encrypted document delivery to recipients. It's also highly flexible, so whether you're filing federal only or need combined federal and state e-filing, Tax 1099 helps you handle both without needing additional portals or paper copies. So, whether you're a small business owner preparing year-end filings or a full-time accountant managing dozens of clients, Tax 1099 lets you save time, reduce errors, and remain fully IRS compliant. So if you're ready to move away from paper forms, spreadsheets, and mailroom chaos, Tax 1099 is absolutely worth considering this tax season. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.